Hello YouTube, hello my friends. I was just putting in the last row of potatoes here. I had some extra ones. I just thought I'd make a few comments and maybe give a look around the garden real quick. So everything's starting to come up that I planted for spring, my first spring planting. And yeah, the signs of life in the garden. But right here, I think he's pretty much got away on us. Yeah, I was just digging, and all kinds of. Look at these worms, huh? Just everywhere. Yeah, right there, those earthworms are my best friend out here in the garden, and it's a big reason why I like to keep the beds mulched, and why I use leaf and grass clippings as a compost additive instead of using a manure. Of course, if I had animals, I would put their manure to use in the garden, but with all the leaf and grass added to the soil mix and kept on top as a mulch, the worms just tear through that, tear it all up, and then you got some vermiculture going on, and yeah, they add a lot of nitrogen to the soil, and humus is what you eat, right? So yeah, so my garden's starting to come into bloom. I already got flowers coming on here. There you go. These are haskap berries. They cross-pollinate with the other bush on the other side of the garden there. And my strawberries, the deer chewed them all up in the fall. They didn't survive the winter very well. And a bunch of dandelions blew in there because I didn't mow the grass around it, because I tried to use chicken wire fencing to keep the deer out. And it was just a nightmare. Yeah, my peas are coming up. Again, yeah, I keep the bed mulched. This bed will be filled in with peppers or tomatoes or something from the house. So I'll just simply dig a small hole and put the plant in there, and then push the mulch back around. And as you can see underneath the mulch, also it's just a layer of goodness. And then as the plants come up, I'll replace the mulch around them. Another row of peas coming up real nice. And parsnip for seed. It's going to turn into a bush. Planted some strawberries there. They don't seem to be doing anything. I have to water all this tonight still. I don't know if you can see these. I'm trying to focus on. Focusing on a weed or something. Yeah, there you go. Carrot plants. That's better. Terrible focus, huh? But yeah, carrots are coming up. Got carrots. I got beets coming up. Probably can't see them. Some peas, spinach. Got some beds of potatoes planted. And yeah, lots more work to do. Just, yeah, thought I'd show you those worms. Talk about the soil a bit. In a future video, I'll go more in depth into how to build soil and what I do to make such a rich black soil mix that grows awesome food. But thank you very much for watching.